If we search for his title, look here what we find. We find mostly two-dimensional pictures. There are some equipotential surfaces, but usually we are in the plane. So it means we can stay in plane because we are looking for only two dimensions. So we are looking at the potential, what the test particle would feel when it's there, this distribution of charges. Usually there are two charges. Here we have from our text, here is positive and negative charge, and here is the case when there are both the charges are the same. In this case both are negative, so the positive test part will be attracted to either there, and there will be no force here. Those are so-called line of force, and those are the equipotential surfaces, and you can always see that the lines of force are always perpendicular to the equipotential surface. Here we don't have line of force. Here we have really the force is plotted in given points. What do we have here? Here is different charges. Here are the same charge, and what we see here are really the forces. They are large here, and they are getting smaller here. Then we have the two different pictures where we have this one. No, wrong. Where we have this one, and here we have this one, and there we can see that these lines are always the same length, so they are just showing the direction of the force, know how strong the force is. So this resembles much more the lines of force. The lines of force are really actually connected, so we could construct, and that's actually what the programmer. So what does this mean? You know, how can we visualize it? So we can visualize the function as landscape in two dimensions that we have here. So we have the case of different charges and positive and the same charges, and here they are color coded. So now we can see what happens when we look at here. We just do like this, and so we really see there's a landscape. We can see that that's a top and there is a hole, and so it means there are the this, when we give it the colors, we can easily see it. Here is the positive and here is the negative. Now here obviously both of them are negative, and we have also one more picture here where both of them are positive, so that the positive test particle will be repelled